How to recover Google Authenticator key step by step. If you lost your phone, deleted the app, or reset your device, you can still recover your Google Authenticator codes in several ways. The method one is to restore using Google Account Sync. And this only works if Cloud Sync was enabled in the app before you lost access. So install the Google Authenticator, open the app, sign in with the same Google account you were on your old phone, and your saved 2FA accounts should automatically appear. Method 2 is to transfer from your old phone. On your old phone, open Google Authenticator, tap the three-dot menu, tap Transfer Accounts, tap Export Accounts, and select your accounts, and then a QR code appears. Now on your new phone, open up Google Authenticator, tap Transfer Accounts, and then Import Accounts, and then scan the QR code. The other method is to recover each account manually. This is if you lost your phone, had no sync, no backup codes, and no old device. Then you must recover accounts one by one. Usually just go to the website login page, click Try Another Way, and verify using your email. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.